Go to the beach.
Go to the beach.
2 hours?
Downstairs for a couple hours. Whoa! It came out of nowhere.
Hi, Muffin. Hi. Oh.
Okay, guys, where are we?
Panama City Beach.
Panama City Beach. That's right. Are we building castles or a moat or a pool or what are we doing here?
Building castle and its moat.
And fighting nature. What do you think? You think we're winning?
I think this is great.
All of our work. Oh man, it's pretty here. This is awesome.
You're so strong, Luca. You're so strong. What's wrong? Need help building your hole?
How can we just
Swimming pool? Or kiddie pool?
what's that? Pretty cool.
Your back will freeze. Okay.
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, let's go. And here's Oliver. Okay, Oliver, we're gonna leave now. Are you ready to go? We're gonna go get some barbecue. Yeah, let's go.
Warm clothes.
Eli, go run in the water again. And then let's go.
Another one on my other foot. We will. Place that we saw that man made it.
Is this the shipwreck island?
Made it upside
No, this is
Ripley's, believe it or not.
down.
I really want to come here.
Guys made
Look at that
Oh,
building,
the
guys.
palm trees are upside
It's
down.
upside down. It's so
Oh my
cool.
gosh. Wow.
It looks kind of like.
It's crazy.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys, where are we?
Panama City.
Yes, Panama City. What? Rudy's. That's right. Yummy. Rudy's. Okay.
What is that sound? Is that your chips? Are you guys freezing? Yeah, we're all cold in here. Huh?
Jeez, it's way colder in
You
here.
woke up. Yeah.
In the car, I want. Can we please immediately turn on the hot air in the car as soon as we're all in there?
I
Yes,
think we
sir.
should turn on the cold air.
Yeah. Yeah.
Dad, everyone's free.
Rudy's. Okay. How's the drive? Good.
It's another sunny day at UCB.
It's crazy.
It's crazy. But we'll get there.